Hi Sagittarius, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Sagittarius, for your general energies, career situation, and relationship, guys, we are picking these cards, Sagittarius, and this reading will resonate for your sun, moon, and rising sign, guys. Sagittarius. So these are for your general energies. This is for your relationship, and this is for your career situation, guys. Sagittarius. If you want more clarity, Sagittarius, you can watch the Pick a Card Love reading that will follow this general guidance. So, let's start with these cards here. We have Nine of Cups, Ace of Pentacles, and the Star. A very positive set of cards for you all today, guys, Sagittarius. So, whatever dreams and aspirations you have, you are moving towards that. You are happy, content. So, in your work, you are seeing greater opportunities for success, good opportunities coming towards you, some projects with lucrative returns, or maybe whatever you do, good business and happiness is what I see for you all, guys. And in this relationship with this person you love, you have a very good understanding, you know each other, and you are planning your future together. So some kind of dreams or goals are manifesting today for you all, guys. So whatever you were thinking or planning for your future is coming towards you. So in this relationship, you are simply happy, content, and you see a bright and hopeful future for you for this relationship. Maybe you are thinking of marriage or commitment, guys. And even in this career, even in your career circumstances, you are simply successful, happy for the way things are going, and everything falling into place for you all, guys, Sagittarius. You are seeing good opportunities and you have happiness, that sense of gratitude and satisfaction towards your circumstances. Happy for the way things are going. So for your relationship, we picked one card, guys. And it is Four of Cups in reverse. So in this relationship, maybe if you are in separation, you are single, expecting a new love, you are seeing a new beginning, guys, in your relationship, in your love life. You are finding someone interesting coming towards you, they are proposing to you, or maybe if you are already in a connection, if you have someone you love, you are moving towards that next step, maybe marriage or commitment. So this person wants to start a family or get committed, and they are thinking of marriage or thinking of a committed positive relationship between you both in future. So they have huge plans for you guys and some good plans for your future together. So a very positive set of cards here for your Sagittarius, for your general energies and your relationship today. So for your career, we are seeing Eight of Wands. Again, great growth and changes, quick changes towards something really good. So you are seeing good changes for yourself in your work situation. So maybe a promotion or lucrative returns, whatever it is something good, something giving you happiness and peace of mind, Sagittarius. So that is what I see with these cards, guys, Sagittarius, for your general energies, for your relationship and your career. So this will resonate for your sun, moon, rising and Venus signs, guys. If you want more clarity, guys, please watch the pick a card love reading that is coming up right now, guys, Sagittarius. For your love reading, guys, we have two cards here. This is your first card and this is your second card. So you can think about your circumstances, close your eyes, meditate for a few seconds, open your eyes and choose the card that comes to you first. That way the reading may resonate, guys. So I will start the reading with the first card after a few seconds of silence. Okay, guys, so now let's start the reading with the first card. I will keep this card aside. So for those who chose this first card, we have Dawn the Golden Hat, duty. So in your circumstances, guys, maybe in your life, you are someone really responsible and you are a very wise and a very charming person, and you have certain things you need to do today. Maybe it may be in your work or in your relationship, and you are dedicated to whatever you do. But people around you, they may not realize your worth, they may not understand you, but the way you are responsible, or your dedication itself will be recognized very soon, guys. And patience is what is needed. Maybe you find yourself in a difficult circumstance, unable to be responsible, and circumstances may be challenging you, but patience is what will work for you, guys. And there is a time of recognition coming and you will surely be rewarded. And maybe for this love you have on someone, you are doing things, facing a lot of challenges and going out of the way and helping that person. Maybe they may not realize your worth, they may not realize your help right now, but true love will find its time, guys. So surely this person will understand you. Maybe even if it is not true love, you will get that true love in your life. Maybe with this person you may not feel that fulfillment and contentment. Maybe for some of you, you will this relationship, maybe if you have that true love on this person, even they will reciprocate that true love, guys, and that time is coming very soon. But for some of you, if you are single, if you are expecting a new person, true love is finding you, and that is that is a definite thing, guys, because you are someone who is responsible and who has that sense of duty, and all your good actions will always be rewarded, no matter what, guys, what the circumstances will be. So that recognition, the time of recognition and success is coming to you very soon, guys. So that is what I see with this card. For those who chose this card, guys, that is the reading. So for those who chose this card, the second card, we have Celestite. So with this card, it just means that in your circumstances today, angels or spirit guides are here to help you and support you, and they are here to help you connect with people. Maybe you are shunning away from relationship, maybe and you are just feeling scared, or you are what to say, not ready to face some challenges today, but these spirits or angel spirits or spirit guides are helping you, guiding you today, guys. And maybe there will be these spirit guides are coming in the form of perfect guides or friends who are helping you to heal from the past or whatever difficulty you are having. And you need not isolate yourself, you just need to stretch out to that friendship you are seeing today. Maybe some strangers or some people may come out of the way, ready to guide you in certain things, help you out, and you need to understand that these people are people sent by the universe or spirit guides, and they are here to help you and guide you in some way in your relationship, to enhance your relationship. And maybe if you want a true change, or if you want a help from the universe or this crystal spirit, you can just pray within your hearts, guys. Pray towards that spirit, asking for help and guidance, and that way you will have that answer, or some kind of an intuition will be guiding you. So that is the energy with this card. For those who chose this card, that is the reading, guys, for you all. Thank you for watching, guys. If this reading resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.